Hi, today we're going to cook this green split peas, and these are really tasty. So what I got is I got one of these packages, and I'm going to cook the whole package, and it becomes like green split pea soup, and it is so amazing. So you can make a meal like a green split fish soup, and I'm gonna do some rice, and then I have my eggplant cooking, a steamed eggplant, and these eggplants are really very tasty. So I'm going to share this recipe as well, so you can make a meal out of these three, a vegan vegetarian meal which is awesomely tasty. So what I need to do is I need to open the package and wash it thoroughly, and then I'm going to cook it with enough water, and then to that I'm going to add salt, turmeric, and whatever spices you like. I'm going to add some garam masala and some vegetable masala and just boil it, and after that I have to give little bit of called tadka. Tadka is nothing but you heat up little bit of oil, like 1 teaspoon oil. To that you put some cumin seed, some asafoetida, and some crushed ginger. Nothing else. You can add onion chopped as well if you wish. I'm just going to add crushed ginger, and then you just make it roast little bit, few seconds. When it gives a nice aroma, not burn, you just mix it to your soup. That's called tadka. That makes it very nice fragrance, nice smell. So let's go ahead and cook this one up, and I'm going to keep you the clips in between and the end picture. Okay, so my ginger and my little bit of cumin seed, asafoetida, and a little bit of oil, about half a teaspoon in there. So that's going to cook a little bit. Then I'm going to add my green lentils. And these you want to put sufficient amount of water for them to boil and get cooked, because they're going to need about 20 minutes or so in low flame. Just cook to be softened up, and it might take 25 minutes, so you'll see how long it takes for them to be soft. And if you want to make it little bit soupy kind, then you have to boil it a little longer. Now you can add to it chopped up carrots, chopped up potatoes, or other vegetable, whatever you wish, chopped up spinach, but I'm just gonna keep it simple. So I'll add this, and I might add 2 chopped up potatoes, so that'll make a nice meal. So I added my peas to the pan, and I added some salt and turmeric, and that's about it. This is going to boil, and when it's totally cooked and boiled, you can add other spices as you like according to your taste. I'm going to add little bit of garam masala and little bit of vegetable masala, and this is very simple yet taste awesome. So this is my peas purees, and this is like pea soup and some green peas, and this is awesomely tasty. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many